Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Domuso Resident Portal, Tenant Management App and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Domuso Resident Portal is a tenant management app designed to streamline communication and payments between renters and property managers. The platform focuses heavily on digital rent payments, offering options like one-time payments, auto-pay setup, and access to full payment history. It supports secure online transactions, reducing the need for checks or manual submissions. The app also centralizes tenant services by allowing residents to submit maintenance requests, upload necessary documents, receive property notices, and manage communication directly through the portal. It is available on both iOS and Android, depending on the property management company's setup. The app's main feature is its rent payment system. Tenants can pay digitally, track receipts, and view real-time payment status. Additional tools like maintenance request submission and document storage help residents handle day-to-day housing needs efficiently. Property managers also use the app to send updates, reminders, and important announcements. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the convenience of digital payments, faster processing times, and reduced paperwork. The ability to track past payments and submit maintenance requests without making phone calls improves transparency and communication. For tenants living in professionally managed communities, the app significantly simplifies routine tasks. However, there are some drawbacks. Functionality can vary depending on the property manager's configuration, so not all features are available to everyone. Some users report delayed payment confirmations or technical glitches during peak times. Additionally, digital payment options may sometimes include processing fees, which can be inconvenient for residents. In summary, the Domuso Resident Portal app may be worth using if you want an efficient and centralized tool for rent payments, maintenance requests, and communication with your property management team. However, if your property does not enable all features or if you prefer offline payment methods, it might not offer the full value for your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.